In this video, we'll learn how to find the compound interest if the interest is payable half yearly. For this, let's take the example. Find the compound interest on rupees 6,000 for 1.5 year at 10% per annum interest payable half yearly. So what is the difference between paying half yearly and paying per annum? Let's see. In this question, first of all, we'll write the principal. So principal is the sum which we borrowed or which we lent out. So it is rupees 6,000. Now what is the rate? Rate is given 10%. So rate is equals to 10%. It is per annum rate. So we'll take it as 10%. Now we have to find the interest for the first half year. Instead of finding for the whole year, what we'll do, we'll find interest for first half year. The formula will be same, that is PRT upon 100. Only time we will take is half. So P is 6,000, rate is 10, time is not 1, it is 1 by 2 because we are finding it on a half yearly basis upon 100. So if we'll solve this, what we'll get after cancelling this and this by this, so it is coming rupees 300. So this is the interest which we have to pay after half an hour. So now principal for next half, we know how to find the amount. Amount is 6,000 plus 300, that is 6,300. This is the amount payable after 6 months, and that will be equals to the principal for the next half. So we can write principal for next half year is equals to rupees 6,300. Now again, that was the interest for first half year. Now we have to find the interest for second half year. Next half. So we'll apply the same formula, PRT upon 100. So principal is 6,300. Rate is 10. Time, we're going to take it as half upon 100. After solving this, we are getting it as rupees 315. So this is the interest for the next half. Similarly, since the time is 1.5 year, so till here we'll reach for one year. Now we'll have to find the principal for the next half. So principal for last half year is equals to, earlier the principal was this, here the interest is this, so we'll add them. So this is now 6615. This will be the principal for the last half. Now we have to find the interest for the last half year. Interest for the last half year is equals to P, that is 6615. Rate is 1 by 2. Sorry, rate is 10. Time is 1 by 2 and 100. After solving this, we are getting the interest as 330.75. So the amount here is, this is the principal and this is the interest for the last half. So 6615 plus 330.75, which amounts to rupees 6,945 and 75 paisa. So eventually the compound interest for the last, not for the last, but compound interest for 1.5 year is A amount minus principal. So final amount is 6,945.75 minus the principal was 6,000. So that is 945 rupees and 75 paisa. So let's have a look at the question again. What we have given, we have to find the compound interest on rupees 6,000 for 1.5 year at 10% per annum interest payable half yearly. Since it is half yearly, so first of all we had to find the interest for first half year. by taking the time as 1 by 2. That was our interest for first half year. Then we find the amount that will behave as the principal for the next half, and then interest for the next half, and then we'll again find the amount that will be the principal for the next half, last half. And similarly we can find the interest for the last half year, and by subtracting this amount from the principal we'll get the our answer, that is compound interest for 1.5 year. Also, you can check the answer by adding the interest separately. This was the interest for the first half, this was for the second half, and this was for the last half. If you'll add them up, you'll get the final compound interest as this also, as 945.75.